A lot of times a question that we get from customers is, well, what's my house going to be sitting on when you guys are done with the project? This is a really common question. So to answer that question, we can look right here. I can put my hand in between the dirt and the footing. I can put my hand all the way in here. So this footing is no longer being supported by the dirt, and we don't want it to be. Originally, when they built the house on top of the dirt. The footing was poured on the dirt. The dirt was supposed to hold the footing and the rest of the house. But the problem is, this is not stable soil, and it's sinking and compacting underneath the weight of the house. So we don't want the house to sit on this anymore. So, as you can see, the house is sitting on pier to pier. So in between this and this, you can run your hand in between. It's going from pier to pier and then over here to the next pier. So the house is being spanned from one pier to the next, and the unstable soil is no longer a factor. One thing that we're doing in this instance, because there was a lot of cracks in the footing, and we know that there is no rebar in the footing, we're installing poly-level, which is a structural grade spray foam in between the footing and the dirt to help support the footing a little bit. The weight is not going to be sitting on top of the dirt. It's still going to be on top of the piers, but the poly-level foam is going to create a bridge from pier to pier to increase the overall structural integrity and re-fortify the work that we're doing and give it that extra level of protection. So when we leave this project, we know 100% that there's never going to be an issue ever again, and the customer can now sleep soundly in their home knowing that it's not sinking anymore.